say, a jabo, jabidu. The jabidu, they are not assuming Iran Yankopo. Na asubinka ya uranya nkopon dia ani sunsun nso senia ahote so yeboko man ya ikusunsun yiri mo nsam no shade mame memma yare ya fana chemfo yare ba to aponche wo meme bi nto uti kwa aponche no honam no ekeja kura papa nti odi de wa we bedo nsu Yaria, you talk or some idea. Who before you? I didn't say something. Mamma said, a by what be? I will did papa Agyin Asare at him. Ah, however, Nogokpo force and one for. You dear him could have tried for me. They saw Namna or promote jelly. Or Nam no promote jelly. Say, he urged everybody to do farm. Or no crowds are abosun only who. Now, as you call Pian, one of some say a confirmatical. What's the Agyin Asare? What's the Agyin Asare? On train, you won't hear about us. Ababa, one to yeah, a bet number say, woo. Bemo be in a money, be Agyin Asare the Baba, and ask me be back. Ubabana papa Agyin Asare is if you. Why? Oh, ah, I basically say, attention, up no. Who born dog? One namely papa Agyin Asare Obama warning. Now the Nogokpo a chief and priest in the crowd, they didn't give warning. One insisted this papa Nassotias or count the other. So who did the papa Agyin Asare them? A Scotian. Pada. Poor fruit. Wait, where about where and no man cow. What do you say? However, one can also. I heard them waiting at the castle. What the fat yeah, do for any American that away your train? You might try to flat. Who told about this? Who? Ah, but when I started fighting, went to you. Who to me, Baby Agyin Asare? When you baby and so ben, or to do. Shut all the vessel. When him call ututum, when him call ututum. Ha! Could you have not born one the generation who deserves to be at Asare? So Kurusu when him sat, eh? Toko. Pia always be a give one of the about those who go about them while they tear small by kind. Listen to it.
You see, I said it. Those of you ewe pastors and ewe Christians going up and down begging on behalf of this man. Have you seen? Have you seen what he's doing? Those of you going to Nogokpo, trying to bribe people just for this man that, oh, let's forgive him. His wife is an ewe. Coming to some of us, our DMs. What's up? Oh, please, we beg you, leave it. Please don't talk about his issue again. Leave him like, oh, the man, oh, please, let's forgive him. You see what he's doing. I said this la, magbronyaya banchiyare, agbonamia goma foga, magbronyaya. Yemi kukwara ngomi people mi omola. Yemi kukwara you are begging on his behalf. Even Honorable CK's death has nothing to do with Agyin Asare nor Nogokpo issue. But his church members lied that CK's death is their prayer. CK has nothing to do with Nogokpo. CK is a Christian. CK is a Christian, and his death has nothing to do with this. The issue Agyin Asare have with Nogokpo, but they were looking for ways and means to just tarnish the image of Nogokpo. So everything they are using it. Where Nogokpo people never said they are going to kill Agyin Asare after 14 days if he never apologized. They never said that. They just said they are giving him 14 days to apologize, but they never said any consequence. They never said that. But have you seen how he's twisting everything? You Agyin Asare, dear, relax. Obare angro godolifi du no mama samanya na kachira kano joma bimu. You don't understand that, eh? Maybe you go and ask angro people. Angro godolifi na lema manya sago. Angro people, they don't like acting. Like, and two, always don't need you dead. What will your death? Your death will never benefit the people of Nogokpo in any way. If Nogokpo people want to punish you for what you did against them, death is not the solution. Death will not cost you anything. Death rather give a lot of people peace. Death is not a punishment. So Nogokpo people, they don't want to kill you. They don't want to kill you. If whatever they decide to do to you for not apologizing or retracting your statement, you go hear them, you go see them. For now, relax and stop that bragging. You people, view kata yim up and down. A kukura Agyin Asare yang nyamaru bi vale nya WhatsApp ji ala nya DM mama. Oh, mi re kukula flori, maga o video ra kazola. Oh, ra shinchila, ma o pa melo. Oh, ifon mo bladi ona o. Oh, flori maga o mola. Ala ka palaka. Nyekwe. Yema fe le popitiji emiako. Nyame o yima up and down to Nogokpo, agbogbo Nogokpo tobo. Mi re kukula, oh, mi re kuku mi ra shinchila asro fogboto we la mi ra shinchia. Nyekwe. Yema be la padamba nyeba yo wuye ne te wu yo he lagbe magble na mi pa view mo bu mo fo mo go magble na mi pa to yegba magble nya ya bare ntu ya mi ago mo fo ga magble nya video mo mi be listen magble mo mi ago mo fo ga mi suna la padamba mo nyekpe ye mi ku ko ramra nwo apa fo mi ago ma afo mi ago ma bu mi encho de fe toro property maji anma o ma go yima ma bu gbeto wancho mi ami lo church ho mo ni ma bu mi encho ai mi akoga church ho ma ha o mi agomo fo ga church ho ma ha ye ga chu ga ga joni reji o ga kokora o ga koso na ga kora plane o furo ti e shira no shwa go ja no ma o ava mu to ba fo mi agomo mi ami o yi mgbogbo nkore mi ami o yi mgbogbo fe kukora no ngo mi jago ya fo nni no juju nma o ojuju nma o maka nri amola mara kama Agyin Asare oku mara kama Agyin Asare na oku nkanye go na ku rokopa na you know retract your statement na ma retract a statement to yo Nogokpo to anya ichoge yo lara nko yo chogere ye mi ba la shima go jibo yo ye makulu ava mutolo maglebo mi agoma foga abuto mi akoga ha o je goma ko yo le video ta
what I say, which is not nice. Which is wrong. Which is totally wrong. Be a make a Agyin Asare background do penny. Who are going to Asare fear a run on the Bawaro Grand Governor Yamase? What about himself on Kane? None of what will soon be or pretty. Or fans. Oh. And talk right to me, but sing that one want him and find out. Oh, sister. I go let the crowd that's who know. They say, I'm more high life for Baba Sebi. Okay. I'm more regular Baba Sebi. Now, that papa, I just said, I'm man meeting or buy ya, or Baba Jina way preaching. No, what I was winning now, Papa just said, I play on, we have a deal, we are go. Don't grab a pan chop. No any day. Because I say, I don't know high intensity. One time to video no come by answer. Now, almost said, we didn't go answer. Then I made one more. No pijama. But that's a girl.